So unfortunately, I got a phone call from Leah. So now we'll tell you what record they actually opened. I'm in denial about glasses, so you're seeing nothing on my face, right?
On the box it says Jones L. Spencer.
Sometimes these aren't always right, but okay. Actually I think that is right, because A. Jones is my favorite artist in the world, and there's no doubt that this is probably Ada. Oh! This is ironic. You should open this. This is Jewish vaudeville.
No way.
Yep, this
Yiddish?
is Jewish vaudeville. Yeah. Well, not Yiddish. Kind of Yiddishy. It's English, but done in that like Jewishy type voice when they're mocking, the Jewish voice. Hello, like I do my Coney Island voice. Right. So they're kind of doing. So this is actually Jewish vaudeville by Ada Jones, who was very famous at the time. She was, like I said, the Lady Gaga of the time. Really? So this is an original Ada Jones vaudeville piece. Cool. And I'm actually planning on doing like a little piece, a little like play using Edison cylinders. So I'm getting almost all of the Jewish vaudeville ones to see if we can actually take it to one of the Jewish museums and kind of put it, either play the parts or just play the cylinders and let people hear what it was like to be alive in that era. Because this was kind of capturing Jewish culture from that era, our vaudeville era, which is the beginning of comedy. One of the most famous pieces that I have on original wax cylinder is Cohen on the Telephone, which is a very, very famous piece. Books have been written about it because it's basically considered like the first, recorded Jewish vaudeville type piece. So
wasn't that also like the precursor to Who's on First? That wasn't that.
Yes,
that was really
very
the
much.
beginning.
Yeah, that's where that whole thing comes from. And I've got the 16mm film of Who's on First. It's funny you should mention it. And my friends who performed it at our speakeasy were with us last night at the Friar Club, funny enough. And I told them, would you do it again for our Christmas or Hanukkah speakeasy, the Wind Up Circus in December? And he said he'll probably perform it. Right. So you guys will have to come by for that. And maybe we'll play your record.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yes,
you are
so
very,
interesting.
Really very interesting. I hope I become a little more interesting from this, but even if not, it was interesting to see something
interesting. You were interesting, as I know, when you walked in, according to the good wife. Bye, everybody.